This is Nomon's display. You are about to watch Nomon being used to write "I can write just by pressing the button." In large font are the letters of the alphabet, arranged in order. There are also options for a space, a full stop, character deletion, and an undo function. An underscore stands for a space. Next to each letter are up to 3 word completions beginning with that letter. To choose the letter I, find I on the screen. It is the 4th column of the 2nd row. Look at the clock immediately to its left. Press the space bar when the hour hand is near noon. Repeat until I is selected. When I is selected, the screen will flash green, I will be highlighted, and text will appear in the text box below. To choose the space character, find the underscore. It is in the 2nd column of the bottom row. Look at the clock immediately to its left. Press the space bar when the hour hand is near noon. Repeat until space is selected and a space character appears in the text box. Next is the word can, C-A-N. Find the character C. It is in the middle of the top row. Notice that 2 words beginning with the letter C appear in the same box. One of these words is can with a space after it. To select can, find the clock immediately to its left. Press the space bar when the hour hand is near noon. Repeat until the word is selected and it appears in the text box below. Next is the word write, W-R-I-T-E. Select the letter W. Select the letter R. Find the letter I. It is in the 4th column of the 2nd row. All of the word completions on the screen begin with the W and R we wrote already. The word completions in the box with I begin with W-R-I. Select the word W-R-I-T-E space. Next is the word just. The letter J appears at the end of the 2nd row. The word just appears next to it. Its clock is white. Notice that some clocks on the screen are yellow and some are white. The yellow clocks are more likely and the white clocks are less likely. Choosing a white clock usually requires more precision and more button presses. More clocks become white as you press the space bar. Select the word just. Next is the word by. What if the wrong clock is accidentally selected? I've mistakenly selected T. Now, all the word completions begin with T, T appears in the text box, and T appears under undo in the lower right corner. To choose undo, find the clock immediately to its left. Select this clock. Now T disappears. Also, undo makes all the clocks yellow. Undo will undo any other action, be it character, word completion, or even delete. Now correctly select the word by. Next is the word pressing. Select the letter P. Select the letter R. Find the letter E in the upper right corner. We can select the word press and delete the space character. Select the word press. Find the delete button in the 4th column of the bottom row. Choose delete. The space character is gone. Note that the clocks are not all yellow when you choose delete. They are white and yellow. Find the letter I. Notice that the word pressing appears in its box. All word completions on the screen begin with the letters P-R-E-S-S. Select the word pressing. Select the word the. Would you prefer the clocks rotate at a slightly different speed? To make them rotate more slowly, either press the down arrow button or move the slider down one notch with your mouse. To make them rotate more quickly, either press the up arrow button or move the slider up one notch with your mouse. Let's try a new speed. Next is the word button. The letter B is in the second column of the top row. The letter U is in the first column of the second row from the bottom. The letter T is in the fourth row of the last column. The next letter T is in the same place. Now the word button appears next to T. Do you notice the blue histogram in the bottom right corner? That shows you how precisely you are clicking. In particular, it shows your click distribution around noon. The line goes from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on the clocks. If your histogram has a small width, you are clicking very precisely. If it has a very large width, or it takes you many button presses to select a clock, you might want to try a lower speed.